We have a buddy named Alan who owns a print shop in El Paso. I knew he had a big production, making a ton of different designs and products for some companies around the city, but I didn't realize just how immense his operation was.
All right, so we're here at Proper Printshop, and Proper Printshop is owned by like this really cool guy. His name is Alan, and he has a dog that he carries around. His name's Tupac, but he's got this huge production where he prints out stickers, shirts, sweaters in different ways, and however you want. And he's the one that helped us make our shirts. Like this is one of our shirts, our Tell a Story stickers, and we wanted to just show off his factory.
Alan has been one of our biggest supporters since the beginning of DLS. I've seen some of his products before through videos like Pickleball. That story is for another time. But I've never seen how these products are made. So today I get to find out what's going on behind that door.
Oh, there you go. Perfect.
Just letting you all know this was staged.
This one was staged, but I needed it. What? Don't tell me.
Let me show you the actual intro. So we're here with Alan. He has this entire clothing design shop. I mean, he's got a lot of stuff going on. Stickers. Oh, that's cool. What kind of paper is that?
So this is a DTF, direct-to-film transfers. We have a Mamaki printer. We might be the only ones in town, I think.
Mamaki?
It's just a really good quality DTF. I call the shop and I'm like, hey miss, you guys DTF?
Oh yeah.
Ahead of its time.
For Caesar's future son, my nephew. It'll be your first gift. Just kidding.
On record.
It's gonna be a bicycle.
That would make more sense. Dang, bicycle coming out of the womb? Instead of a tricycle?
Tricycle.
What?
No?
No, dude.
I guess I should mention that Jay is a cyclist. So it makes complete sense that he would want this.
Hey, buddy. Hi. Come with me, Tupac.
His name is Tupac.
Yeah.
We're going upstairs now.
Last one up the stairs buys the next coffee.
Work faster.
You look cozy.
Yeah, me or him?
It smells like burnt plastic.
What we inhale every day. Breakfast of champions.
So Proper is where we got our cool waterproof, or not waterproof, but weather-resistant stickers.
Oh yeah, like this one. It's pretty awesome. I stick it on everything.
Is this guy right?
Oh, it's doing the whole square. And so I guess it's time to finally see what's behind that door. This is my favorite part. Whoa, we're finally going inside.
Dude, well, he does everything. I don't know if you've seen these, but these are not this one. He does also, I don't know how to explain it, dude.
The wording on it.
Tell me what? He does actual rubber stuff. That
Rubber?
sounds weird. Yeah, you can print out rubber.
That's exactly my reaction, Jay.
Yeah.
This place is pretty cool.
Dude, he does rubber stuff here. It's crazy.
Bro, this place is pretty cool. He's got a cart that you can mount that Gatling gun under, and that Gatling gun is for the shirts. Then he's got his little mobile cart over here that's also a bicycle thing. He's got Tupac that can just sit in his fucking... What? Tupac? He's like Yoda. He's like Yoda, dude. Alan is a wild guy, dude. He's got a lot of creativity, a lot of crazy designs. He's got a big production for stickers and shirts and hats and anything, honestly. It's pretty cool. And he makes a lot of his designs using AI as well. He'll find sayings that he's inspired by and then just make them. He's scaling. But me and we get our shirts from Alan and we get our stickers from Alan. Like this one right here.
It's a little dirty, but...
Oh. Is it dirty? Oh my god, it is. I don't know why it's dirty.
Look at that dancing stance.
Dude, I'm on... It's because my weight is on one leg at all times. I have to... In order to be a good dancer, Jay, you must transfer weight. right? Boom.
To be a good fighter, you have to transfer weight.
Dang, what a spin. Oh, well, I guess that makes sense, since Caesar's been dancing salsa since his visit to Colombia a few years ago, appearing in multiple competitions since we've been friends. But I'll let him tell you about that later. Alan was telling us that this technology is just like next level. It essentially like adds like a texture so that it looks more ingrained into the shirt, and then you can wash it like 200 times and then the design will stick around. So this is pretty cool stuff.
Watch this angle that I'm gonna get. Ready?
Like those over there, but
Wait.
You just do everything by hand.
Yep. Yep.
Great.
Work faster, pay me more. That was fun.
Good video. That's a good video. 11.
Oh, that's cool.
We're actually doing these as kind of like gift certificates, $25 worth.
How'd you make these, bro?
Thank you.
Ordered them online?
I went to Muchas gracias.
Muchas gracias.
Yeah. Thanks.
Hell yeah.
Appreciate it. Later.
Later,
Take care.
dog.
Hasta luego.
It's a nice shirt, huh? Just peacefully painting away my emotions into El Paso, Texas. Hi. And that's that. Another good day in the books.